guys, I came into work today only to find a bunch of errors on the printer. The ink on the Mimaki 6042, the yellow and cyan, expired. So we have to replace it. I'm gonna show you today exactly how to do it, because if you don't follow the correct steps, you're gonna have to purchase new inks, because they come with a chip that the printer reads and it knows when it expires or when the bottle is empty. Let me show you. This is the error that it's showing on the printer, can't print. And in order to know which inks need to be changed, you come here where the ink station is, and the two blinking ones are the ones that need to be changed. The clear one looks like it's about to expire soon as well. It usually shows orangey 60 days before or 30 days before it expires or it needs to be changed. But the two ones here, the yellow and cyan, definitely need to be changed because the printer is shut down and it won't get back on until the ink is changed. So let me show you how to change it. You come here and you look for the colors that you want to change. We want to change this bottle, yellow, which is the first one, and then cyan, which is the second one. We have to remove them from the ink station. And we do that just by opening the latch on the bottle and this other lock. It says here that it's cyan, and then here that it's yellow, so you know exactly which one you removed. Now you can remove the yellow and the cyan SIM cards, and you can throw them away. They are not good anymore. This is how they look like, and you can throw them away. Now you open the new bottles and make sure you don't mix them up, because each box has the chip inside that you have to insert back into the printer. We actually bought the small bottles this time because we don't use a lot of color. We mostly print white ink on acrylic, so that works great for us. Now, in order to replace the cap of the bottles, you need a wipe cap. This one comes with the printer when you buy it. And you just unscrew it. This is yellow, so make sure you put the yellow. You can throw away this cap, but we usually put it on the bottle and we throw it obviously with the bottle. And now, these two have to align. You maybe do it like 3 times. 1, 2, 3 to make sure it's locked. And now the other one. Because if you only have the bottle like this, it's never gonna, all the ink is gonna pour out. Throw it away. Let's lock this one also. This is how it looks like. And I know it says it's cyan and this one is yellow. Now we have to make sure we grab the correct chip. And this is where the trick actually comes into place. You never ever put the chip into the printer before you put the ink back onto the station, because that's going to void the chip. So this one is cyan. Okay, let's put back the cyan and see what happens. Again, make sure you put it in the correct place and you just lock it in. It's locked in. Now let's see what happens. We put the chip card in. It actually helps you. It has the color blue, so you know that it's cyan. The other one has yellow or magenta or white. Okay, let's put it in and see what happens. The color changed to blue, from red to blue. It means that we are almost back in business once we change the yellow ink as well. Okay, let's do that for the yellow as well. Again, don't forget to put the ink first. Lock it in. It has to be locked. And this one has the yellow dot, so we know it's actually yellow. And we put the chip in and look how it changes to blue. Okay, now the printer is fine and running. We still have this one coming up that's about to expire in maybe a month or so, but that's totally fine. Okay, any questions, please email me. I really know a lot about this printer. I love the printing on it.